There once was an animal that was very, 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 very vicious named Kiki. She liked to bite people's fingers. One time, she bit a cursed finger.
Why'd you bite my finger? It hurts. It's not fair, you know.
But Kiki didn't know that was a cursed finger. It was a belching finger. Now she is cursed for life.